What up, y'all? Justin Gay, Seeds of Xanadu, burnout. Whoo! That is a real thing. Dude, it's something that I'm actually kind of going through right now. Been here before. And I can tell you, it used to be a lot worse. Now, the reason I have burnout right now is because I've been spending a lot of time on set. Been coming back here, maybe getting a couple hours of sleep, if that, and then heading off to set, and then coming back here. So you get a couple of those days under your belt, you're kind of, And then on top of it, I've been putting in a lot of infrastructure. Mainly, check it out, y'all. The front rows are in. We're recomposting rows. Right now I'm just flipping microgreens and stuff. But anyway, a couple things that I do, I hope you guys can see me. I'll do it in the rain. A couple things that I do that have really been helping me a lot lately is one, actually not, this isn't even lately, but what I've been relying on a lot more. So a couple of things that I've been doing to help, especially with my anxiety, because when I get overwhelmed because of a lack of sleep or whatever else, there's always anxiety that comes. Sometimes I pay attention to it, telling me something. It's kind of like a spidey sense, man, you know, like a Zanzi sense, or whatever UE it is, sense, as well as doing something that sucks. That's kind of why I'm just like, screw it, I'm gonna work in the rain, do something that sucks. But putting myself in a position of being uncomfortable, or being comfortable, being uncomfortable, right? So, one of my things is I just don't care that it's raining anymore. I just work in it. Yes, it feels weird to water microgreens in the rain. Even if I were to leave them out here just for the rain, it wouldn't do a good enough job. So yeah, I'm watering in the rain. Definitely meditation. I do yoga. I kind of meditate and do yoga at the same time. And then working out. You know, I normally do some kettlebells. I try to do kettlebells at least 3 to 5 times a week. Lately, 3 has not been enough for me just because the workload I've been under lately, just with both on the farm as well as set. So it's been kind of gnarly. But anyway, you know, I think that's the most important thing that you could do though, is get yourself some kind of regiment. You know, I normally wake up about 5 o'clock in the morning. I'll do my yoga stretches for right about anywhere from 15 minutes to half an hour. Then I jump into working out kettlebells. I can do that anywhere from 8 minutes clear up to about 20 minutes. Then I jump into a meditation that can last me anywhere from 15 minutes to a half an hour. Sometimes 5 minutes if that's all I got. But I just want to make sure I get that done. Doing those things I find help me immensely through a lot of hard times because I get to clear my mind, as well as that fight or flight is what's activated when you go into anxiety, right? So by me kind of just working out, I can get rid of a lot of energy or focus that energy even more so to what I want to focus it on. And it really makes my day go a little bit better. You want to keep your mentals right too, but doing that at the beginning for me helps out a lot so that I can keep my mind as clear as I possibly can for the course of the day. Anyway, hope this thing helps y'all. Peace.